So this is a 2025 or 6, I'm not too sure, Corvette ZR1 Coupe in the yellow. Pretty nice looking car already. Haven't even opened it, but let's do that now. Now remove the backdrop. So this is the car out of the box. Pretty cool looking and menacing. And again, this one has the Cup 2 just like the Mustang, the GTD Mustang. 2025 Corvette, okay. So the last time I think they did the split window on the Corvette was the C2, and they brought it back. I think it's just for the ZR1. I don't think the rest of them have it. So that's pretty cool to see. And this is a mesh, but you can't see anything in it. Kind of sucks, but oh well. So now let's remove the plastic bits. Have to be a little more careful since this thing can grab onto all these sharp edges. And I'm not trying to damage the car. So now let's open all the doors. So this is the interior. I will say, compared to the GTD, this is so much better. Since there's only one, I mean there's two screens, but one's actually flat and the other one looks more like a dash compared to the GTD where it's just two screens. So that's nice. The front trunk, a little bit of room to put stuff in, but not too much. Maybe just the screws or a coin that you like or something. And the engine bay, a little more space here with a nice looking blue on it. I see some details in the engine bay, although it's kind of hard to tell since it's all the same color and kind of deep in there, and you can't really get any light in there. But the split window, so that's nice. So let's get it off the stand. So on the underside, it's a little glossy with the name Corvette ZR1 Coupe. Not too much detail on the bottom, but that's just how most modern cars are nowadays, so that's fine. Got the brakes, and then just a closer view of the back. Closer view of the front. A little paint in a spot where it shouldn't be, but that's fine since it's really tiny and you can hardly see it. It does seem like the paint lacks a little in the door right here. And you also have the ZR1 right there. And the wheels do turn, but I think that's just something we expect now. So now let's put it on the turntable. So that is a 2025 Corvette ZR1 Coupe in the yellow, and it's just a really good looking car with the split window, the sharp corners, and the extra exhausts, or I mean the extra vents you get and everything, even the large spoiler, the carbon fiber rims and everything. It just looks really good, and I have no complaints about it. Maybe just a little more paint and color in the engine bay, but again, this was a $20 car, so honestly it's pretty amazing. So that's all I can say about it, and that's about it.